brakes on the Honda Ridgeline.
I neglected to mention at the end of this video, when I was done installing the rear brake pads, make sure you're pumping the brakes and or bleeding the brakes to make sure they're functioning properly before you take it back on the road.
Getting those all done, and then we'll do the power steering rack next, and then Renegade should be set 100% for this trip. There's actually two bolts right here, one here and one here. It's a 12 mil, not a 2008 Ridgeline, but it's 12 mil. Just put it on the back here, break it loose here, break it loose here. Taking one off already, and this should just pop off. All right, so that, now I'll just need to take one of these old brake pads right here. I'll actually just put this right here, clamp it down to depress that, or press that back in. Stick on the new pads with the clips. Should be good to go. Big thing though, don't let this caliper just hang right here on the from the hose. Just put it up here while you're messing with all this stuff and getting it ready, and then popping these out. Should be relatively quick, pretty quick job nonetheless. Don't let it hang. Something I do just to keep track of things a little bit better is the clips that you're pulling out. Like I lay the brake pads as if they just like fell out this way. So essentially right here, this just goes up in like that. So I just lay it down like so. That way I have them straight. I don't have to keep track or remember exactly how they went on there, which is very helpful for me. Could be different for you. But then with these clips, this one goes to the bottom right here, right? It's on the bottom and then on the top. That way I can match up these accurately. Just look at this. Old brake pad right here. New brake pad right there. So I bought this from a dealer, or a used car dealer, almost 2 years ago, like 23 months ago. And this is the first time I'm doing brakes on it, which to me is actually pretty good with how much off-roading I've done and driving I have done. I'm actually glad that this is the first time, but yeah, so that's what a new pad should look like. So these actually just clip in here. You just gotta push them in. And they're good to go. And then take the top one, put it right in here. You should be golden. All right, so I'm just using this quick grip. It's just a hand squeezer, basically. And just put the brake pad in there. And then just depress the brakes back in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then just quick release. And then they should just slide right back on here. Like so. Take the bolts wherever I put them. Here they are. One, hand tight until you get both of them in. There we go. That's it right there, man. That's all you do, and then you tighten it up. Leave them, no, I'm just kidding. Get them tightened up. So these are 2 tools you will need for that. That's done. Put the tire back on, move on to the next one. Enjoy replacing your rear brakes. Just remember, doing these brakes, don't be too intimidated. Watch the video, learn it, but you should be able to do it if you're at all mechanically inclined. It's not that difficult to do, so be confident in yourself and just follow the video. You'll be able to do them no problem. Good luck.